Hello everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, in this video I'm gonna showing you how to fix the Instagram story music features not available problem. So guys, when you want to post any story on your Instagram and want to use any music and facing the issue that music icon not available or story music feature not available. So guys, how can you get this option, music option? You can easily get this on your story. So let's get started without wasting any time. So guys, first of all, go back on your home screen, and guys, now you have to open your app store on your iPhone. And if you're using Android phone, you have to open Play Store in that phone, and here you need to search Instagram. And guys, now you have to open your Instagram here, and you have to update your app. Because of update, you will see many of features are missing. When you have update, all the features will be added on your Instagram app. And guys, after doing update, your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, no need to worry. You have to open your settings here and click on general tab and click on iPhone storage. And from here you have to find Instagram app. Click on Instagram and you need to offload your app, and after doing offload you need to reinstall again, and after this you need to go back, and here is the option of software update. You have to open this one and you need to check for update, iOS update. If you have any kind of update here, you need to download and install that update on your iPhone. And guys, after this all the features will be fixed and all the bugs will be fixed also, and your problem will be fixed. So guys, if still not fix your problem, no need to worry. You have to open your Instagram app again, click that main profile, click on three lines, scroll it down, click on help and click on report our problem. And after this, here you need to write your problem that you're facing again and again. I'll upload a screenshot and send your problem. Within few minutes they will review your problem and fix your problem. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe my channel. Thank you.